Iron nail rusts, magnesium burns, milk sours. In chemistry, changes happen all around us, but when we write them as equations, one rule always stays true: matter is not created or destroyed. Many students think balancing means making the equation look neat. It is not about neatness. It is about keeping the number of atoms of each element the same on both sides. Watch the reactants on the left and the products on the right. The arrow shows change. A chemical equation is a short way to show a chemical reaction using symbols and formulas. If the atoms do not match on both sides, the equation is not balanced yet. This is why we balance equations. The law of conservation of mass says matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, so the atoms must be rearranged, not added or removed. Let us start with hydrogen and oxygen forming water. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Count the atoms. Hydrogen is already equal, but oxygen is not. There are 2 oxygens on the left and only 1 on the right. Put a 2 in front of water. Now the equation becomes H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Oxygen is balanced, but now hydrogen is not. On the right, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. So put a 2 in front of hydrogen. Now the equation becomes 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Count again. Hydrogen is 4 on both sides, oxygen is 2 on both sides. The equation is balanced. Remember the rule: change coefficients in front of formulas, not the formulas themselves. Never change subscripts just to balance an equation. The identity of the substance must stay the same. Now try magnesium and oxygen forming magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Oxygen is not balanced, so put a 2 in front of MgO. Then balance magnesium by putting a 2 in front of Mg. The final equation is 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Check both sides. Magnesium is 2 on each side. Oxygen is 2 on each side. Balanced. A balanced equation is like a perfectly matched scorecard. Every element has the same count before and after. The reaction changed the arrangement, but not the total number of atoms. Watch out for common mistakes. Do not change subscripts. Do not forget to count each atom inside brackets or a molecule. And always check your final answer. In exam questions, the last step is verification. Try this. Fe plus O2 gives Fe2O3. First count the atoms, then balance step by step. Once you are done, write your answer in the comment below. Ask yourself which element appears in the fewest compounds, and start there. That is usually the easiest path. One line to remember: balance chemical equations by changing coefficients so the number of each type of atom is equal on both sides. If you'd like to understand any difficult concept, write the topic, class, and board in the comment section.